Based on quality control results, the materials are separated. The higher purity iridium.
Inspection clear, surface is completely smooth.
Verified. We can proceed to the next stage.
A highly specialized robotic arm places pre-cut sheets of carbon fiber onto the mold surface. Dozens of finely machined titanium aluminum components move on precisely controlled pallets, demonstrating the synchronized delivery required for the assembly phase.
The two halves of the cylindrical ACM housing are brought together, encapsulating the internal components.
As part of process again.
In Scene 40, Process A ensures precise tracking. The automated system applies the labels.
On frames.
The cleanup operation ensures that no titanium dust from Process A contaminates adjacent areas. Reinforce.
installation. The zero defect rate for process A is confirmed. We can conclude this phase.
Agreed. Well done, everyone.
Now let's focus.
This marks the absolute conclusion of Process A.
Hold it there, check the alignment. It's clear. Move it forward into the chamber. Okay, pull the vacuum bag from the corner.
Got it. It's lifting clean.
Careful, it's light but rigid.
A high-tolerance, multi-axis water jet cutter robot precisely trims the edges and bores the required attachment holes into...
The A400M's environmental control system ducting segment joining. A robotic system applies a continuous bead.
The valve is cycled repeatedly under simulated cabin pressure loads, demonstrating smooth and precise modulation.
The exterior of the large, matte black CFRP duct segments and the integrated valve housing are sprayed with a... The environmental control system's complex CFRP duct segments, including the circular outflow valve, are slowly maneuvered by...
We need to ensure these panels are perfectly aligned before the supports go in.
And the dampeners calibrated exactly to the specifications for the CFRP.
The successful completion of the entire Process B workflow, demonstrating that the secondary product is now fully manufactured.
The serial number matches the manifest, EC420.
Confirmed. The valve assembly is in pristine condition, ready for installation.
Is that aligned now?
Yes, it looks good.
Okay, I'm starting the torque sequence.
No acoustic leakage detected here.
Excellent. Log the results and proceed to the next section.
Pressure holding steady at 7,000 feet. ECS is performing nominally. Nice and smooth back here.
The A400M maintains optimal cabin pressure, as shown by the stable reading on the ECS.
This critical component ensures mission success, providing a safe environment for the crew and cargo.